Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to talk about. The Audien ATOM PRO 2 Wireless Rechargeable OTC Hearing Aid. If you or someone you know struggles with hearing loss, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. The Audien ATOM PRO 2 is more than just a hearing aid. It's a game changer in the world of hearing technology. At just $289, it offers premium features that make it stand out from the competition. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Audien ATOM PRO 2 the best rechargeable hearing aid available. Thanks to the A2 Pro chip, this device allows you to hear exactly what you want while filtering out unwanted background noise. Say goodbye to asking, "What?" during conversations. With this hearing aid, you can finally bid farewell to distracting background noise. Experience crystal clear sound and regain your confidence in social situations. Switch effortlessly between 4 versatile hearing modes, allowing you to hear your loved ones clearly while enjoying your favorite TV shows. It's all about convenience at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the bulky hearing aids of the past. The Audien ATOM PRO 2 is so small and comfortable that you'll forget you're even wearing it, and others won't even notice. This hearing aid comes with a cutting-edge UV cleaning sanitation feature built right into the charging case. No more worries about battery replacements or ear hygiene. In conclusion, the Audien ATOM PRO 2 Wireless Rechargeable OTC Hearing Aid is truly a game-changer in the world of hearing aids. Its advanced features, user-friendly design, and positive customer experience make it the best rechargeable hearing aid available in the market today. Whether you're dealing with hearing loss or you know someone who is, this device can make a significant difference in your life. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another in-depth product review. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences with this hearing aid, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.